In this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to make about $867 on AUDUSD. So make sure you watch to the end so that you can actually see what made me take this particular trade and everything else. All right, so let's jump into it right now. So let me show you what happened in the morning today. We had this beautiful trade idea that we had right here. So remember what I was telling you yesterday? So we had a nice rally based short supply zone, this obvious high which was left behind right here. Therefore, I was waiting for the market to come to this level before I can actually get involved right here. So this is what ended up happening right now. You can see that the market beautifully just came to our area here, then dropped without actually taking out the high of the Asian session. So for me, if you remember very well, I always wait for the Asian session to be taken out before I can get involved. So before the Asian high was taken out, we saw the market reacting from this zone right here, and I was left out, right? Later on, I saw the market taking out the low of the Asian session and decided to reverse. So this is where I was able to share this as a signal. You can see the stop loss was 5 pips and the target was 100 pips. Let me just show you what was happening on the chart. So okay, if you go to, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. So after the market had reacted from this zone right from the zone on the higher time frame, let me show you what happened then. So the Asian session blue box right here represent the Asian session. So you can see that the market side reverse right here and go to the downside right here. So this was very significant for me. I had to wait for the market to actually break this structure to confirming that the market is now going to the downside. So we had this break of structure right here, and then the market started to push to the downside. And then I had to wait for the market to pull back into this area. So you can see that right here, we had a zone which is left behind. So if you go in a 15 minutes time frame, you'll be able to appreciate that there's actually a POI which was left behind right there. So I had to wait for the market to pull back into that area. So you can see that this was the leg that had caused the break of structure. Therefore, it's significant in the market. So after waiting for that, the market actually eventually came to my area, and after the market came to the level, okay, we saw the market nicely rejecting these areas, confirming that actually the market wants to go to the downside. And this is when I was able to share the signal. As you can see from here, the signal was shared right here. 5 pips stop loss and 10 pips target. And few moments later, and about 2 hours later, we saw the market pushing beautifully with great momentum to the downside. And the market right here was here. So I was able to tell the community to actually go break even. And after that, the market started to do what? It started to go down all the way. So the market had actually gone about 1 to 9 risk reward ratio before coming to this demand zone, which was kind of pushing price to the down to the upside right here. And that's the point where I had to tell the community to actually close this trade because there was potential change of direction from the downside to the upside right here. This is where we're able to close this trade, and let me just show you where it is right now. Okay, let's go back to the 30 minutes time frame. Right here, let me just show you. So 30 minutes time frame, we saw the market reacting from this zone right here. So if you zoom out a little bit, you see that the market had created some sort of uptrend right there, and then seems that the market now wants to go to the upside, and this is where I was able to tell the community to act of the market. Is that right now the market is quite slow and anything can happen. It's like almost like 1930 in my country. So the time at this particular time the market sort of slows down. So now for me to avoid any unnecessary giving back of profits, I had to tell the community to get out. And of course, those that want to stay in, they can stay in. But there's a high chance of the market actually doing crazy, right? So the reason why I had to get out is if you check out what was happening on gold, gold was actually dropping nicely. Then it also reached a certain demand zone, which caused the price to actually push aggressively to the upside. Let me just show you this what is happening on gold right now. It has dropped really nicely, but after reaching this demand zone, see how the market reacted from this demand zone. It didn't react really nicely. You can see that the market just came to this zone right here and pushed all the way. All right. So I was afraid that this is exactly what's going to happen on AUD USD since there are these pairs actually collaborating. So I was able to just noticed this, is like, okay, this is exactly most like what's going to happen on AUDUSD. Hence, in order to be on the safer side, I was able to instruct the community to actually get out of this market with because the market by the time I was actually in the community, the market had already reacted like this. So we got out with about 1 to 7 risk reward ratio on AUDUSD, which was pretty good. For myself, I was able to actually make about 800 and $67. I'll pop the screenshot right here so that you can actually see this is what the trader actually took as well. All right, so I really just wanted to share this setup with you guys so that you can actually see how this trade actually turned out. It was actually a beautiful trade, and the risk. I mean the initial target was actually way down here. It was about 1 to 17 risk reward ratio, but because of how the market decided to react, I decided to get out with 1 to 7 risk reward ratio, which is really good. All right, so I really hope you found some value in this video. If you have, make sure subscribe, hit that bell notification. More than 50% of you guys who are watching are not subscribed, so make sure that you actually subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section so that you encourage me to continue putting out such content. All right, so until next time, goodbye.